Most people get this wrong. They assume FlashMint is just another quick cash or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, installment payments, and financial tracking tools in one platform. When used responsibly, FlashMint can help manage short-term expenses without leading to long-term debt. Here's how FlashMint works. The app lets you access a portion of your earned wages before your payday, often within hours. Eligible purchases can also be split into smaller installments over several weeks. FlashMint charges a predictable, flat fee per advance or payment rather than traditional interest, making it easier to budget. FlashMint also provides dashboards, notifications, and reminders to track spending and upcoming payments. This helps you avoid late fees and stay on top of your finances. The downside, overusing FlashMint can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments add up, and relying too heavily on the app can hide deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances you can repay on time. 2. Enable repayment notifications. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on advances. Who should use FlashMint? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing bigger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, FlashMint could end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, FlashMint in 2026 is a useful financial tool, but only when used wisely. Plan your repayments, track fees, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and actionable money tips.